Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from ordinary school for the role of data science guys, and many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing and multiples of job opening in the career platform. So guys, in this video I will also tell you how many numbers of vacancies available in career platform. So you can see, so right now in India guys, you can see data science job in India. So 90,000 plus data science job in India available and 1,158 new vacancies also available on LinkedIn. Okay, so from there you can simply apply for this opportunity, and you can see, just scroll down, you can see many vacancies are available for the role of data science. So just click on this one and you can see many different roles are available. So some of the vacancies are also available for fresher and experience. So based on your qualification and skills you can apply for this opportunity. After seeking current scenario, getting placed is quite difficult because company need a skilled person. So if you don't have the knowledge in this field, so chances will be very low for getting placed. Okay, so but in this video guys I will recommend you one best platform to learn this skill along with placement assistant guys. It means they will teach you, train you, and after that placed. Okay, so let me tell you about that platform guys. So you can see ordinary school data science courses and join learn get hires live bootcamp placement assistant guys. It means guys live bootcamp. Okay, so in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them or you can clear your doubt. Okay, and here's some of the highlights they have mentioned, like live instructed lead bootcamps and job readiness in 6 months, and project based learning is also there. So duration for this bootcamp is only 6 months, and project based learning is also there, and unlimited job opportunity also available. Okay, because many good and big companies are hiring through this platform. And important date for this opportunity guys, upcoming cohort is starting from 28th of October this month, and bootcamp fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and first 100 seat registration 10,000 is also up. Okay, so fee structure we will discuss in detail later, but before that let me tell you what are the required qualification and skills needed for this opportunity. For this opportunity guys, any graduate can apply for this opportunity. If you are passionate about learning and want to start your career in the field of data science, then you can apply for this opportunity. And fresher and experienced both can apply for this opportunity guys, and there is no any branch and percentage criteria. So if you don't have the knowledge of any programming language, so you can apply for this opportunity because they will teach you from scratch. So now let me tell you about the courses, what the courses module you're gonna cover in these 6 months. So you can see the most in demand skill in a single curriculum. So you can see courses modules are SQL Foundation, SQL Advanced, Python Foundation, Python Advanced, Static, EDA, Machine Learning, Power BI, Python, Git and GitHub, and Generative AI. So these are the modules you're gonna cover in this 6 month. And also guys, they will offer to you to work on a project, whatever project currently running on industry. So you can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. So right now 10 plus data science job opportunity available for our learners. You can see COVID-19 prediction, credit card approval, and health insurance prediction. Okay, so you can see, just scroll right to left and you can see many projects are currently running on industry guys. And also in case if you have any doubts and queries, you can clear your doubt in live session. So you can see clear live doubts, and they will also guide you how you can present your project. So here's some also highlights they have mentioned, and also guys they will help you during placement because they will help you throughout. So you can see some additional career services also they have mentioned. Power ahead in your career with career services like resume building, mock interview, behavioral skill workshop, online profile building, industry interaction, and unlimited job opportunity also there. And right now guys, 500 plus companies are hiring through this platform. So you can see 500 plus hiring partners and company like TCS, Amazon, Flipkart. So many good and big company, Accenture also are hiring through this platform. So you can check out. And also guys, right now 430 job opportunity available for our learners. You can see snapshot. So right now 430 data science job opportunity available to our learner this week. Okay, and medium package will be 7 LP and highest package will be 26 LP, and top job role offer through this platform guys. You can see data analyst, data engineers, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and Power BI developer. So right now 5 plus data science job opportunity available, so you can check out. Okay, and also guys, many students are getting placed through this platform. So in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them on LinkedIn. So you can see, so before applying, just click on this LinkedIn profile URL, and after that you go direct to their LinkedIn page, and if you have any doubts and query, you can directly talk with them. Okay, and also guys, mentors are already working on industry, so they have better skill and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better ways. So you can see meet our mentor and a speaker. So you can see Dr. Mohit Sevak is working as a principal applied AI research at Microsoft, and Saurabh Roy is working as a data scientist at IBM. So mentors are already working guys. They have better skill and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better way. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlight except fee structure, so let's discuss about fee structure guys. So you can see get started now. So your final fee will be 99,000 plus GST. And right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000 and also 10,000 off for first 100 seat registration. So your final fee will be around 60,000. And also no cost EMI option is also there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months, and per month 5,500 only. And also seat reservation fee is only 5,000 plus GST. And important date guys, upcoming cohort is starting from 28th of October this month. And this platform is also trusted by many students, so no need to worry about this platform because your refund policy is also there. So in case if you don't like the courses, your full fee will be fully refunded. So you can see, if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start date, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, so before applying, don't forget to check all these things, and after that simply apply for this opportunity. And not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity guys, but you can try for this opportunity. And also before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section, because here some general question answer are already done. So you can see how long is the data science courses. You can see 500 hours of learning across 6 months. So before applying, don't forget to check here some question answer are already done. So how you can apply for this opportunity guys, just go upside and you can see one registration form is there. So just fill your first name, last name, after that email ID, contact number, year of password. So if you're 2023 batches, just select this one, and year of experience. So if you're fresher than none, and after that choose a date. So select 18th or 19th October, and after book a demo. Okay, and after they will contact you and guide you how you can apply for this opportunity. So this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.